the scores and their percent of the final grade for a statistics student are given. What is the student's weighted mean score? Weighted mean score underlined. Okay, let's underline weighted mean score because that will be the focus of this work. Okay. Now, so these are the scores that we're talking about. So we're talking about homework, quiz, another quiz, project, and final. Right. So these were the scores of the students in the statistics class. Now, what these weights mean is that each of these have a different weight. So the impact of all these categories have a different impact on your grade. So for instance, if you exam is weighted 30%, the project is weighted 30%. So if you're able to do better on the final and the project, you are more likely to pass the class, right? So if you do, for instance, if you score 100% on all homeworks and you fail, and 100% on all quizzes, right? And you fail the final and the project, you are more likely to fail the class. Is that okay? So it is very critical that you understand that this is a weighted average and each weight has an impact, right? They impact your grade in that particular course differently. Now, let's look at how we can find the weighted mean score of the student. So what we do is you are going to multiply the score by the percent of the final grade. So for instance, we're going to do 88 times 10. Is that okay? So what do we have? Like, we're going to do all the multiplications. So let's do that before we do the final product. So 88 times that will give you 880. Okay, I'm not writing well. Let me write that here. And then when we do 89 by 15, what do we have? 89 by 15 will give us 1335, 1,335. Okay, then we do 93 times 15. 93 by 15 will give us, I'm trying to squeeze them to that end, will give us 1395. Okay, and then we're going to do 98 by 30. What do we have? This gives us 2940. Okay, so 2940. And then we're going to do 88 by 30. And that'll give us 2640. That's not the best. Okay, nice. So that's what you have. So you do that first. Now, when you are done, you sum all these together. Okay, so add 880, 1335, 1395, 2940, and 2640 together. And that gives you 9190. Okay, so the sum of that will give you that. Okay, 9190. Now, what is the total weight? You look for the total weight of the class, and that is what? You know, you're going to add 10 plus 15 plus 15 plus 30 plus 30, and that gives you what? 100. So if you put all the individual weights together, that sum up to 100. Usually it's out of 100. So now, and usually what you will see, you're going to see, so for instance, there's, in most books you see sum of, so if I did sum of the score times the weight, this is what I got. That'll give you 991. Now to find the weighted mean score, okay, weighted score, what I would do is I would do the sum of the score multiplied by the weight over sum of the weight. Now this is 9190 divided by 100. And now my weighted mean score will be equal to what? 91.90. Okay. So this is, you notice that this is different from how to find your GPA. So when you're looking at GPA, you're looking at different courses, but this is finding your grade in a particular course. Is that okay? Knowing the individual weights of each of the categories that make up your entire grade for that course. Okay, so that's all that this is about. So thank you very much, and let me know if you have questions.